Good morning, my dear students. I hope that all are okay. Before class, we have learned about the applications of maxima and minima. Okay, I explained so many problems. Now, today we have left the means 4 or 5 problems. Today onwards, the chapter will complete. Tomorrow, we will start the integrations, my dear students. Don't neglect, do each and every problem, my dear students. Okay. Now, what is the question is going on? You know how to do. First, read the question carefully. Write down the what is the given data. After that, find out the function. What is the function? Which one is the maximum? Which one is the minimum? That is called function. Okay. First, a wire of length is 36 meters. Actually, wire of length is 36 meters. Yeah. This total length is 36 meters. Is cut into 2 pieces. Now, by using one piece, one of the piece is to be made into a square. This piece. This total wire used by this one. That's why, for suppose, let x be the side. What is the length of the wire means 4x here, 100% perimeter. Now, second part is the form of the square. How much used means perimeter, 100% this is perimeter. Perimeter, that is equal to, for suppose radius is r. Sum is equal to 100% 36. 36 meters is divided into 2 parts. One part is the length of the one part is form a square. For suppose the length of the side is square bx, means how much wire is used means 4x. 4x, how much used circle means 2 pi r. 4x plus 2 pi r is equal 36 meters, 100%, my dear students. Okay. Let x be the side of a square and r be the radius of circle. Don't confuse. Okay. Now, sum of the perimeters is equal to perimeter. Sum of the perimeters is equal to 4x plus 2 pi r is equal to how much? 36. Now, taken common 2. 2x plus pi r is equal to 18 only. Okay, my dear students. Now, pi r, from this one, pi r is equal to 18 minus 2x. R is equal to how much? 18 minus 2x by pi. Okay. Now, you will find the length of the pieces of the wires. One length is 4x, other length is 2 pi r. You can find the 4x and 2 pi r. That means you find the values of x and r. Whenever x and r you find, so that the combined area of the square and the circle is mean. What the function means? Area. You know the area of the circle formula, you know the area of the circle formula. Now, what about this area? Area, combined area. Area of the square is x square, that is pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. Now, that is equal to x square plus pi into r square. R square value means 18 minus 2x by pi whole square. Now, area is equal to x square plus, in this one pi square is there, 1 pi cancel, 1 by pi into 18 minus 2x whole square. Okay, my dear students. Here denominator is pi square actually, pi square cancel, that is 18 minus 2x. Now, dA by dx is equal to 2x plus 1 by pi into x square derivative, that is 2 into 18 minus 2x into minus 2. Okay, my dear students. Now, d square a by dx square is equal to 2 plus into minus, here minus is there, 2 into 2 4 by pi into 0 minus 2x means minus 2, that equal 2 plus 8 by pi. In this one 2 is constant, 8 is constant, pi is constant, total all positive, no negative, means area is 100% positive, minimum area. Now, for critical points, dA by dx is equal to 0. dA by dx is equal to 0, my dear students. dA by dx means here 2x minus plus into minus 4 by pi into 18 minus 2x is equal to 0. Now, minus that side plus 2x is equal to 4 by pi into 18 minus 2x. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay. Pi x is equal to 36 minus 4x. Minus 4x this side plus 4x, taken common, x into pi plus 4 is equal to 36. Now, pi plus 4, sorry, x is equal to 36 by pi plus 4. Now, you can find the at x is equal to 36 by pi plus 4, 100% d square by dx square is positive. at x is equal to 36 by pi plus 4, d square a by dx square is positive, means area is minimum. Area is minimum at x is equal to pi plus pi by 4. Therefore, now we can find r is equal to, what is the r value? R value is equal to 1 by pi into 18 minus 2x. Now 1 by pi into 18 minus 2x. 2 into x, 72 by pi plus 4. Now LCM, 1 by pi into LCM is pi plus 4. 18 pi is 18 pi plus 18 4 is 72 minus 72. This one cancel. This pi cancel. That equal 18 by pi plus 4. This is R value. Now you can find the length of the pieces. Therefore, length of the first piece. What is the length of the first piece? 4x. Length of the second piece is 2 pi r. The sum is equal to 36, 100%. Okay. Length of length of one part of y. One part of y is equal how much? 4x. 4 into x. X value how much? 36 by 5 plus 4. 4 into 36 how much? 144 by 5 plus 4. Next, length of second part. Length of second part. Length of second part of y. What the second part means? Circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi into, what about r? R means 18 by pi plus 4. That equal to 36 pi by 5 plus 4. Okay, my dear students. One part is 144 by 5 plus 4, other part is 36 by 5 plus 4. This sum must and should, that is equal to 36. Say yes or no, right or wrong? Okay, just verify sum. This is 144 by pi plus 4, just verification, okay, plus 36 pi by pi plus 4. Now you can take in common 36 by pi plus 4. 36 by pi, this is 4 plus pi. This one. Yeah. Okay, my dear students. Okay, in this way we will complete the problems. Okay, we are going to next problem. Okay, my dear students, read the question carefully. What the question is going on? A figure consists of a semicircle. A figure consists, how it is the figure? A figure consists of a semicircle with a rectangle on its diameter. With a rectangle on its diameter. Okay, no problem. Means is rectangle is there described on the semicircle. Okay, given the perimeter of the figure. Okay, that is perimeter is constant here, and its find its dimensions in order that the area may be maximum. Area means the figure consists of the rectangle and semicircle. Area may be maximum. Okay, my dear students. Now draw the diagram. Clearly is given. What is given means this one. For suppose this is rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. Or here you will take this side also. No problem. ABCD is a rectangle. Now semicircle is described. One of the side 100% on. On means here. AB has a diameter. Say yes or no? A figure consists of the semicircle with a rectangle on its diameter. Okay? Is the rectangle is there? On the semicircle is there. One side must should the diameter. For suppose semicircle A. Okay, this is a semicircle. How AB has the diameter. Semicircle. This is the semicircle. Now this a window 100% in the shape of this one. Okay, this is type window. Okay, this is the diameter. This is the semicircle. For suppose semicircle means this is center 100%. For suppose this is the radius. This is also radius. AB has the diameter means length is 2r. Length is 2r means this is also 2r 100%. What about the breadth? We don't know. That is equal to x. Breadth. Now perimeter. Perimeter means this is also x. This part is including this one. What is the perimeter of the circle? Actually circle is 2 pi r. RB the radius means 2 pi r. Now semicircle means 100% pi r. What is the rectangular perimeter? Only 3 sides only. This side including this semicircle. Okay, x plus x, 2x plus 2r. The perimeter is given. Okay, what is going on? Let ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle, and let the semicircle described AB as a diameter. AB as a diameter. Therefore, AB is equal to DC is equal to R. CB is equal to AD is equal to R. BC is equal to AD is equal to X. Now perimeter. Perimeter is equal to, what is the perimeter of this one? 2R plus X plus X. 2R plus 2X plus this perimeter means this one. Means perimeter of the semicircle means actual 2 pi r means pi r. This is perimeter. Now from here, okay, you will find the value of x. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, now you will find the value of x. What happened? X is equal to r means no need. From this one you find the value of x. Therefore 2x is equal to p minus 2r minus pi r. Okay, my dear students. From this one x is equal to 1 by 2 into p minus 2r minus pi r. Okay, no problem. Now area. Area means this area plus this area. Area is maximum. Now function is area. Area is equal to area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. Right? Area of rectangle formula, length into breadth. 2r into x plus area of the semicircle means pi r square by 2. Actually area of the circle is pi r square. Area of the semicircle is pi r square by 2. Here observe that 2x. Already find the 2x. Now in front is r is there. R into 2x value p minus 2r minus pi r plus pi r square by 2. Now multiply. This is pr minus 2r square minus pi r square plus pi r square by 2. Okay, that equal pr minus 2r square minus pi r square plus pi r square by 2 means minus pi r square by 2. This is A. Now differentiate how many times? 2 times. Now find the dimensions means you will find the length and breadth 2r and x. 2r and x. Okay. Now here dA by dx. dA by dx, what happened, my dear students? dA by dr, total in terms of r is there. dA by dr, that equal pr derivative is p minus 2r square derivative is 4r minus here r square derivative is 2r, 2 pi r by 2. 2 pi r by 2, 2 cancel. Okay, next d square a by dr square 0 minus r derivative is 4r derivative is 4 minus pi r derivative is pi. Observe that here minus 4 minus 5, 100% this is less than 0 means maximum. Minus 5 means 3.14, minus 4 minus 3.14 means minus 7.14, that is the maximum. Less than 0 means maximum. For critical points, my dear students, for critical points dA by dr is equal to 0. dA by dr is equal to 0. What happened dA by dr? P minus 4r minus pi r is equal to 0. Yes or no? P minus 4r minus pi r is equal to 0. From this one, P is equal to how much? 4r plus pi r. P is equal to r taken common, 4 plus pi. Therefore, r is equal to P by 4 plus pi. Now, one dimension means length is, radius is coming. Here substitute r is equal, at r is equal second order h, r is equal to P by 4 plus pi. Second order derivative d square a by dr square must and should negative means area is maximum. H r is equal to P by 4 plus pi. Radius, this one, r is equal to P by 4 plus pi. Next we can find the x value. From this one, x is equal to here, you are substitute here. R value you know very well. R value is otherwise here 2x is equal to, okay, clearly is there. Now substitute in this equation, no problem at all. Okay. Now r value substitute in this one. What is this? 2x is equal to p minus 2r minus pi r. Okay, my dear students, substitute in one. From this one, clearly r is equal to p by 4 plus pi. Now what happened? P is equal to 4r plus pi r. Substitute this one. What happened? P instead of p, right? Instead of p is equal to 4r plus pi r, whatever may be. 2x is equal to 4r plus pi r minus 2r minus pi r. Plus r pi r cancel. 2x is equal to 4r minus 2r means 2r. 2 cancel. X is equal to r, my dear students. X is equal to r. Therefore, x is equal to r is equal to p by 4 plus pi. What are the dimensions? One is 2r, other one is x. Okay. Length of rectangle. Length of rectangle is equal to 2r, that equal to 2p by 4 plus pi. Breadth. Breadth of rectangle is equal to, what is that? X. X is equal to p by 4 plus pi. In this way, we will complete the problems, my dear students. Okay. We will go to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, read that problem. What the problem is going on? A square piece of a tin of side 24 centimeters. A square piece of a tin of side 24 centimeters is to be made into a box without top. Okay, box without top. That is, the all sides of the length 24 is made into the box without a top by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flaps to form a box. Clearly is given. Okay, we will take the example how to do that one. Now, for suppose my dear students, okay, no problem at all. You see this one. This is for suppose this is square material. Okay, a square piece of tin. This is square type metal, or means one sheet is there. In this one, this form a box type. When it is form a box type, a square piece of a tin of this side is length is 100%. Clearly is given. Clearly is given 24 24 centimeters is given. Yes, my dear students, 24, 24, 24, 24. What happened after that is made into the box. Okay, without top. Okay, no top is there. Okay, no problem. By cutting a square from each corner, here, 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 square. Again, you cut the squares at each corners. For suppose, let x be the, let small x be the length of the side of the square, cutting by each corner of the metal sheet. Okay, now cutting the square, 4 squares, same length you should cut. This is how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4 squares cut at the corners here. After that, folding flaps means this one, the ends. Folding, this one is folding. Yes, again this one is folding, total fold. Now this one is fold. Now this one is folding. What happened, my dear students? Observe that. What happened this one? Open box. What is the length actually? Here this side is x cutting, this side is x cutting. Total length is 24 minus 2x. Now here observe that whenever it is the box means cuboid, open box, the height is nothing but the, clearly observe that. What is the height? Height is means the length of the side of the square of the cutting portion. This is height. What is the height means x. Now volume of the box is the maximum. So that volume of the box is maximum. Volume of the box means length into breadth into height. Okay, my dear students, length is 24 minus 2x, breadth is 24 minus 2x, height is x, 100%, my dear students. Okay, now here cutting, corner is cutting x, this is suppose x, this is x, this is x. Now what about this 24 minus 2x? What about this 24 minus 2x? It is folded into the box, the height is must and should, how much you cut, that is the height. Okay, my dear students, what about the x? Let x centimeters be the length of the side of the square. Let what is x? X centimeters be the length of side of a square which can be removed from four corners of metal sheet. Now you will go into the length. What is the length? What is the side? 20 box length 24 minus 2x, breadth 24 minus 2x, height 100%, that is equal to x. Length, breadth, height. The flaps will be folded into the box. The box length, breadth, height. Okay, it is not a square. Why? Because the length, breadth, okay, but height is different. Okay, it is not a cube. That is 100% cuboid, open cuboid. Now asking is volume. Now formula is LBH, volume. 24 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into 100% x. Now V is equal to 24 minus 2x into, now multiply 24x minus 2x square. Now we will take in common here 2, here 2. Here taken common 2, here taken common 2. What happened? Here taken common 2, here taken common 2, or only 4. Here taken common 2 means 12 minus x. Here taken common means 12x minus x square. Okay, my dear students. Taken common 2, 2 2's are 4. Now multiply. V is equal to 4 into 12 into 12x, 144x minus 12x square plus x cube. Now we will write the order. V is equal to 4 into x cube minus 24x square plus 144x. Now this differentiate 2 times. We will get the 100% maximum. Now dv by dx is equal to 4 into x cube derivative 3x square minus 24x square derivative is 48x plus 144. X cube derivative 3x square, 24x square derivative x square derivative 2x means 24 into 48x plus 144x. X derivative is 1. Now in this one we will take in common 3. 4 3s are 12 into x square minus 16x plus 3 common 4 8. Okay, we will take the common 3 from here. Okay, x square minus 16 3s are 48 3s are. Now d square v by dx square. 12 into 2x minus 16 only. 2x minus 16. For critical points, my dear students, for critical points, dv by dx is equal to 0. 12 into x square minus 16x plus 48 is equal to 0. X square minus 16x plus 48 is equal to 0. 12 4s are x minus 4 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to, observe that suppose x is equal to 12, what happened? X is equal to 12 means 2 into 12. 24 minus 24 0. It is not possible. Compulsory cutting the squares means x is equal to 12 is not possible. 100% 12 4s are 100% 48 x minus 4 into x minus 12, x is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4, what happened? This is at x is equal to 4, second order derivative is equal to 0 or not. D square v by dx square is equal to 12 into here 2 into 4 8 minus 8, this is minus 8 less than 0. Total 12 into minus 8 minus 96 less than 0 means volume is maximum. Volume is maximum at x is equal to 4. Write down that one. Volume is maximum at x is equal to 4. Yeah, my dear students. Therefore, volume is maximum at x is equal to 4. Therefore, volume is equal to 4 into x cube minus 24x square plus 144x. Okay, my dear students. Now substitute x is equal to 4. 4 into 4 cube. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 minus 24 into 16 plus 144 into 4. Now 4 into 64 minus 24 into 16. 16 4s are 64. 16 2s are 32 plus 384 plus 144. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 117. 4 1s are 4 plus 5. Now this is equal to 64 plus 576. 10, 14, 640. Okay, 640 minus 384. 384 means 10, 6, 13, 8, 5, 256. 4 into 256. Again into 4. Okay, my dear students. 4 into 1024 centimeter cube. What is the volume? 1024 centimeter cube. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. Just read the question, do carefully. Okay, we will go to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, read the problem carefully. These all are problems before came into the CBSE exam point of view. Okay, please read the question and practice. Okay, we'll do the, what do you do means practice only. Okay, develop the concept and practice the questions and answers. Okay, clearly is given. What is the given? If the length of the three sides of the trapezium, trapezium has actually four sides. Okay, the length of the three sides of the trapezium other than the base are equal to 10 centimeters. Now it is the, what is this trapezium? You know the trapezium, how it is there? For suppose ABCD is a trapezium. In this one, other than the base, what is given? This is 10 is given, this is 10 is given, this is 10 is given. 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters. Find the area of the trapezium when it is maximum, means area is maximum. What the area of the trapezium is? The half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. Say yes or no, you know that. Sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. Now, we draw the perpendicular from A to side DC. Suppose this is P. Now this is Q. We draw the perpendicular. Now 100% this is also 10 centimeters. No doubt at all. Now observe that. Let ABCD. What is ABCD? ABCD be a trapezium such that AB is equal to BC is equal to AD is equal to 10 centimeters. Now we draw the perpendiculars. We draw the AP and BQ are the perpendicular drawn from A to A comma B to DC respectively. Okay. Now observe that this side is 10, this side is 10. This is perpendicular length, this is equal 100%. These are parallel perpendicular. Okay. This is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. What happened? These two compulsory congruent triangles. What is this one? DPA or APD BQC. The triangle APD is congruent to triangle BQC. Okay. For suppose this length is x, 100% this length also x. Corresponding sides must be equal. Now what is the area formula? Okay. Now area formula is equal to area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium half into sum of the parallel sides AB plus DC. AB plus DC. This is parallel. AB is parallel to DC. These two sides are parallel. Okay. AB plus DC. Distance means AP or BQ. Any one distance. Okay. Now how to find the distance? Observe that the distance is equal. How to find AP square is equal to, or this one from 10 square plus x square plus ap square is equal to 100. 10 square. From this one, ap square equal 100 minus x square. Now ap is equal root over 100 minus x square. Okay, my dear students. This is 100%. 100 minus x square. How to find means this one by using Pythagoras theorem. Now that is AP. Now substitute here half into what is the value of AB? AB is 10. DC is 10 plus x plus x, 10 plus 2x into AP. AP means 100 minus x square. Now what happened here? Taken common 20 plus 2x, taken common 2. Taken common 2, my dear students. What happened that one? Taken common 2. Okay, now area is equal to 20 plus 2x means 10 plus x. 10 plus x into taken common 2 cancel, root over 100 minus x. 10 plus x into 10 minus x. This is also you write that one that way. 10 plus x into 10 minus x, 10 plus x whole power 3 by 2 into. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, we will do in this way also. 100 plus x into 100 minus x. Calculation part is important. Okay, sorry, 10 plus x into 10 minus x. 100 minus x square. 10 square minus x square. A square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. Here observe that this is a, this is root a. Means what happened? 10 plus x whole power 3 by 2. Root a into root a means 10 plus x whole power 3 by 2. Again remaining 10 minus x means 10 minus x whole power 1 by 2. Now squaring on both sides, what happened here? Squaring on both sides, what happened, my dear students? This is a. Squaring on both sides means a square is equal to whole power 3 by 2 means 2 cancel. 10 plus x whole cube into 10 minus x only. Here power is 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Okay, a square means 10 plus x whole cube into 10 minus x. Okay, my dear students. Now let a square is equal to something f. F is equal to let f is equal to 10 plus x whole cube into 10 minus x. Now differentiate, my dear students. df by dx. df by dx. What happened? 10 plus x whole cube into minus 1 UV method plus 10 minus x into 3 into 10 plus x whole square. 3 into 10 plus x whole square. 100% right or wrong? Yes, 100% right. Now we will take in common here. df by dx is equal to 10 plus x whole square taken common out. 10 plus x whole square taken common out. 10 plus x whole square taken common minus 10 minus x plus here 3 is there. 3 into 10 30 minus 3x. 10 plus x whole square into minus 4x plus 20. This is df by dx. Minus 4x plus 20. Now second order derivative. d square f by dx square. Okay, my dear students. Again second order derivative means UV method. First this one 10 plus x whole square into here derivative is minus 4 only plus minus 4x plus 20 into this derivative 10 plus x whole square derivative means 2 into 10 plus x. Now taken common overallly 10 plus x. d square f by dx square is equal 10 plus x taken common out. What is the remaining terms here? Minus 4 into 10 minus 40 minus 4x. 10 plus x taken common it means this is 2 into minus 8x plus 40. Okay, my dear students. Minus 40 plus 40 cancel. Now 10 plus x into minus 4x minus 8x minus 12x. 100% that is negative. Less than 0, 100%. Now for critical points. df by dx is equal to what is df by dx? 10 plus x whole square into minus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. Here 10 plus x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 10. Possible? X not equal to minus 10. Why? X is length of the side, not minus 10. This part must and should 0. 4x is equal to 20. Minus 4x is equal to minus 20 means 4x is equal to 20. Now x is equal to 5. This x is equal to 5, substitute in the second order derivative. At x is equal to 5, d square f by dx square is equal to d square f by dx square is equal to x value 5 means 10 plus 5, 15 into 12 into 5 minus 16. That equal negative minus 15 6 are less than 0. Less than 0 means area is maximum. Therefore, area of trapezium is maximum at x is equal to 5. Now we can find the area. Now area is equal. What the area means here? Substitute here, area is there. Now area is 10 plus x whole power 3 by 2 is there. Now you substitute, no problem at all. Now area is equal to 10 plus x whole power 3 by 2 into 10 minus x whole power 1 by 2. Now x is equal to 5. 10 plus 5, 15 whole power 3 by 2, 5 power 1 by 2. Okay, my dear students. How to write this one? 15 into 10 plus x, okay. 15 into 15 power 1 by 2, 5 power 1 by 2. Okay, my dear students. What happened this one? 15 into 5 into 15 5s are 75. Root 75. 15 into root 75. Okay, my dear students. Right. This is centimeter square. Okay. In this way, we will do the problems. Thank you. Okay, my dear students, read that problem. What the problem is going on? A point on the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Very, very important question. A point on the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle at a distance of A and B from the sides of the triangle. Okay, one point is on the hypotenuse. That point is a distance from A, distance from B, other sides. Show that the minimum length of the hypotenuse. Here minimum length of the hypotenuse is the function. Is equal, that is I have to show that A power 2 by 3 plus B power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. Simply we will take the right angle triangle. Okay. What happened, my dear students? This is the right angle triangle. Okay, no problem at all. You know very well. Right angle triangle. For suppose this is ABC is a right angle triangle at B. Now we can take the point on the, okay, here take here this one, no problem. This is A, this is B, this is C. AB is the length of the hypotenuse. That's right. And now you take any point. For suppose P is a point, not x comma y. For suppose it is not a coordinate axis, but that point is a distance of A and B from the sides of the triangle. Okay, this is the P means this is for suppose PM, this is distance is A, for suppose this is distance PN, this distance is B. The point P, not A comma B, my dear friends. These two must should the parallel. For suppose this angle, this is 90 degrees means this is angle 100% theta. Okay, these two are parallel lines means this is transversal line. This is theta means this is also theta. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, let ACB. ACB is a right angle triangle, not ABC. At 90 degree C is there, that is ACB. Okay. Let ACB is a right angle triangle. ACB is a right angle triangle. Okay, my dear students. ACB is a right angle triangle. Let PM is equal to A. Let P be the any point. P be the ACB is a right angle triangle with AB as hypotenuse. With AB as hypotenuse. Okay. Let P be the any point on hypotenuse. On hypotenuse. Okay, my dear students. What happened this one? Therefore, PM is equal to A, PN is equal to B. Now let C be A. Let C be A is equal theta. That implies NPB, NPA must ensure theta. Now in a triangle, observe that in a triangle PMB, what about sin theta? Sin theta is equal to A by PB. Now PB is equal to A by sin theta. That equal A cosecant theta. Okay, my dear students. Now in a triangle ANP, cos theta, adjacent side B by AP. Now AP is equal to B by cos theta. That equal B secant theta. Now what is that one here? The maximum length of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, what is the hypotenuse here is AB. Now AB is equal to hypotenuse, length is hypotenuse. AB is equal, write as AP plus PB. AP plus PB, 100%. What is AP? AP is equal B secant theta plus PB. PB nothing but the A cosecant theta. This is AB. AB means something function length. Length means L you will take L. That is the function. Now differentiate 2 times. We will get the critical point. Those critical points. After that, you find the value of theta. You substitute in this one, you get the answer. Okay, my dear students. Now dl by d theta. Dl by d secant theta derivative secant theta into tan theta. B secant theta tan theta. Cosecant theta derivative minus cosecant theta into cot theta minus A cosecant theta into cot theta. Now again d square L by d theta square B into UV method must ensure, my dear students. Secant theta into tan theta derivative. What is the derivative of tan theta? Secant square theta plus tan theta into UV method, my dear students. UV. Secant theta into derivative of tan theta is secant square theta plus tan theta into secant theta derivative secant theta into tan theta. Okay. Minus A into here cosecant theta into cot theta derivative minus cosecant square theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta derivative minus cosecant theta into cot theta. Okay. Now that equal B into secant cube theta plus secant theta into tan square theta minus A into minus cosecant cube theta minus cosecant theta into cot square theta. Okay, my dear students. Now what happened? Observe that. No problem at all. Now for critical points. For critical points 100%. What happened? dl by d theta is equal to 0. B secant theta tan theta minus A cosecant theta cot theta is equal to 0. Now from this one, B secant theta tan theta is equal to A cosecant theta cot theta. Now cot theta this side, secant theta that side. What happened? What happened, my dear students? Our goal is length we will find. Okay, that is B secant theta into tan theta is equal to A cosecant theta into cot theta. Now A by B, this side this one, secant theta into tan theta by cosecant theta into cot theta is equal to A by B. Cot numerator, secant by cosecant is tan theta. Secant theta by cosecant, 1 by cos by 1 by sin, sin numerator, sin by cos, tan theta, tan square theta. Here cot theta means 1 by cot means tan, means orally this value is tan cube theta. Tan cube theta is equal to A by B. Now tan theta is equal to A by B whole power 1 by 3, means A power 1 by 3 by B power 1 by 3. Now this is for suppose right angle triangle, this is theta, this value is A power 1 by 3, this value is B power 1 by 3. Now what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is root over A square plus B square. A power 1 by 3 whole square means A power 2 by 3 plus B power 2 by 3 root means power 1 by 2. Okay, my dear students. Yet this is theta. Theta is equal to A power at tan theta. At theta you have to substitute here. 100%, this is 100% negative, no problem at all. Is the minimum. Minimum means 100%, it is minus into, oh, observe that. Here minus is there, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, totally positive. No negative value. This is a by b. At tan theta is equal to a power 1 by 3 by b power 1 by 3. Now what is the second order derivative? D square L by d theta square is positive. Means length of the hypotenuse is minimum. Therefore, length of hypotenuse is minimum at tan theta is equal to a power 1 by 3 by b power 1 by 3. Okay, my dear students. Now, length of hypotenuse is equal to this one. Here, length of hypotenuse is equal. Therefore, length of hypotenuse is equal to length of hypotenuse is equal to L is equal to, you have to show that one, b into secant theta. What is the definition of secant theta? b secant theta plus a cosecant. From this diagram, cos theta definition is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by adjacent side, b into secant theta. A power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 2 by b power 1 by 3 plus a into cosecant theta. This one by this one. A power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 2 by a power 1 by 3. Now taken common, what you taken common? A power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 2 taken common. What is the remaining? B by b power 1 by 3 plus a by a power 1 by 3. What happened this one? A power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 2 into here b power 1 by b power 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. B power 2 by 3 plus a power 2 by 3. Both are same. Base equal means power should be added. 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. That is a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. This is the length of the hypotenuse. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. I explain means maximum problems on the applications of maximum and minimum. Why? Because it is very, very important topic for final examination point of view. Please practice. Today onwards, today means today completed the total portion of the derivatives and application of derivatives. Now we are going to, tomorrow class we are going to the integrals, integrations. Okay, tomorrow class we are discuss about. Thank you, one and all.